Hi, we are here to assemble the Ragno Contractor board box. We have simplified the assembly. We went from 18 screw to 16, and also we went from 3 different types of screw to 1 type. The first thing we do, we identify the bottom. The bottom is the one without the screen, and we put it over there. After we take one of this panel, we put it down. We are just going to use it as a spacer. So we go, there is a groove over there, we go this. Now we get the bottom. The bottom, it's the one without any grooves. And we go like this. You know, as I said, we are using this just now for so we can build it over, and all the holes they are going to line up. So we take one of the screw, go over here, go with the other one, and we tighten it all the way down until it kind of has some resistance, and this is done. Now we find one of the acrylic. We have to make sure this is the left or the right. This, in this case, it would be the right, and it goes over here. And we point all the screw in, 4 total in this side. After we do the other side, and we do the same thing. We point 4 screw just by hand, okay? The top. We do the same thing with the other 4 screw. Two screw in the top. These one are the most important, that they are going to make the box very strong. We want to tight the screw, but not too much to strip them. That's why we don't want you to use a power screwdriver. The top is down. Now I'm going to tighten this screw over here. This one over here. And the box is done, and it's ready to go.